The seller sent us this in exchange for a video. However, all of the views and opinions in this video are my own. In the box, you're only going to have one light, so keep that in mind. If you want a set of two, you need to buy two. This comes with the shade already assembled. That's really nice. This can be hardwired or you can plug it in. So if you would like to hardwire it, you just disconnect the plug from the back. Now we need to remove the mount so that we can put it on the wall. And to do that, we just have to take out this little screw right here. Also this little screw right here on the right. It also comes with the hardware to mount this, as well as an instruction sheet. Also, this one does not come with a light bulb, so you will need your own light bulb for this. To put the shade on, you have to take this ring off, then put the shade on and reinstall the ring we just took off. Go ahead and secure the mount to the wall, then put the light on and reattach the screws that we removed from the left and the right sides. Not only does this have a plug, it has a plug with a ground and it has a USB outlet on the bottom. This knob is also really satisfying to turn on and off. It makes a nice little click and it has some really tight play to it. Now to get a light bulb. I don't love the cord, so I'm gonna get one of those little cord covers to put on the wall so that it makes it a straight line, kind of blends in a little bit better. So we're back with a light bulb. Oh, look at that. Perfect. That's so cute. I like it. I really like the fact that it has a plug on it, as well as a USB cord. If you're looking for a new lamp that was easy to install, it took me like 4 minutes to install this. I would not hesitate to recommend it. Wow. This is actually dimmable. You can brighten it. It takes a max of a 60-watt light bulb, but you can brighten it or dim it. This knob brightens it and dims it. That's cool. So cool.